If you're looking for smart and useful products to upgrade your custom PC build, then this video is for you. Before you buy any 1000W power supply, you need to see this. In this video, I found the best 1000W power supplies of 2026, based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews, so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the MSI EG Series 80 Plus Gold PSU. Built strictly for durability and long-term use, this unit acts as a rock-solid foundation for high-end builds. It boasts phenomenal energy efficiency, translating directly to lower temperatures and reduced electricity bills over time. A massive highlight here is the generous 10-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring total peace of mind for a full decade. Its fully modular cable system means you only plug in exactly what your system requires, vastly improving cable management and internal airflow. Ready for tomorrow's hardware, it is fully ATX 3.1 certified and naturally supports the newest PCIe 5.1 graphics cards. Bridging the gap between elite performance and adaptability, it's an outstanding pick for serious gamers and professionals needing unwavering stability. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice. The Seasonic Focus V4GX 1000. This brand holds a legendary reputation for bulletproof reliability, and this 80 Plus Gold unit easily lives up to the hype. It introduces a brilliant OptiSync interior layout, drastically enhancing thermal dissipation to keep internal parts chilled and drastically extend their lifespan. Purpose-built for cutting-edge components, it is ATX 3 compliant and includes a native 16-pin PCIe Gen 5 cable, ensuring flawless integration with high-wattage modern GPUs. The completely modular design removes cable clutter, making installation a breeze while maximizing your case's cooling potential. Despite its surprisingly compact footprint, it merges elite power efficiency with superior thermal control, delivering a strictly no-nonsense, whisper-quiet experience for dedicated PC builders. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option, the Lienli EG 1200G power supply. This is an incredibly adaptable powerhouse designed specifically for advanced gaming and creator workstations. What truly sets it apart is the clever built-in USB and fan hub, providing multiple connections to seamlessly centralize your rig's RGB and cooling arrays. Completely prepped for next-gen demands, it includes a native 12V-2x6 port alongside dual 8-pin to 12 VHPWR cables to easily fuel power-hungry graphics cards. Thanks to strict ATX 3.1 standards, it absorbs extreme, sudden power spikes without flinching. Holding prestigious gold-tier ratings from both cybernetics and 80 Plus, it promises superb efficiency and low-noise acoustics. They've even thrown in a convenient magnetic dust screen, making it a highly innovative, maintenance-friendly cornerstone for your PC. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out. The Asus ROG Strix Platinum Power Supply. This premium unit achieves magnificent performance metrics by implementing advanced gallium nitride, or GaN, MOSFETs, effectively boosting power efficiency by 30 while simultaneously lowering internal temperatures. Its most groundbreaking feature is the GPU First Voltage Sensing mechanism. Paired with a smart stabilizer, it amplifies stable power delivery to your graphics card by up to 45 during heavy rendering loads. Massive, custom ROG heatsinks keep the fan from spinning up unnecessarily. And when it does, the dual ball bearing design ensures it outlasts traditional fans by twofold. Fully aligned with ATX 3.1 specs and packing a native 12V-2x6 PCIe 5.0 cable, it beautifully merges futuristic electronic efficiency with the hardcore dependability gamers demand. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the Be Quiet Pure Power 13M1000W. If maintaining a whisper-quiet environment is your top priority, this model refuses to compromise on raw power. Holding an 80 Plus Gold rating and peaking at an outstanding 94.4 efficiency, it effortlessly keeps electricity waste and thermal output to an absolute minimum. It perfectly meets ATX 3.1 standards, carrying a dedicated 12V-2x6 cable for modern PCIe 5.1 GPUs, plus 4 traditional 8-pin connectors for older components. Driven by a robust single 12V rail, it supplies a continuous 1000 watts and can easily absorb transient power spikes double that amount. A smart 0 RPM fan mode guarantees total silence during basic browsing, while the specially tuned fan blades ensure hushed operation during heavy gaming. Utilizing advanced LLC topology, it is an incredibly precise and silent beast. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And make sure to subscribe to Gadget House and turn on the bell icon, because we're bringing you more amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals you won't want to miss. Got any questions or want us to review a specific product? Drop it in the comments below. We read every comment. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.